Hello, my name is Miguel and welcome to the TCO station. In this station, what we are doing is we are helping our customers reduce the cost. We are analyzing their situation and we're giving them the best solution to reduce the cost wherever they are in this moment, and also planning for the next step of growth in their company so that they can grow in the smartest way possible. So basically, in multi-jet fusion, when we increase our production, we can always reduce our cost. And depending on the situation where the customer is, we're going to help them obtain the best situation, the best cost for the production, for the current production. How do we help our customers reduce their cost? We identify the cost contributors that are increasing the cost of the bucket. We identify them, we separate them into variable and fixed, and we find strategies to reduce the cost per cost contributor. They reduce the cost of the material, reduce the cost of the consumables, labor, hardware, and services. How do we do that? We interview with our customers, we understand their situation, we understand the applications that they do, we understand the production that they have, the materials that they use, and we give them the advice to run them as optimum as possible. For instance, customers that are working with PA12 or PA12S, we know that each of them have different advantages, so we recommend them different packing densities and different refresh ratios so that they can save costs of material and consumables when they are working with their multi-jet fusion printer. For fixed costs, we analyze the number of buckets that they print, what is their production ratio, what is their throughput, and we recommend them the exact family where they should stand. Are they working with a 56 machine? Are they working with a 5620? Are they working with a 5620 Pro? Each of them is going to give them different advantages in cost per material and in cost per hardware. And we are going to tell them exactly when is the point where they should change from one to the next one. In this graph, you can see how our families reduce the cost per bucket as they increase production. And we have here our last step, which is the process development. With process development, our customers are able to reduce their printing time by playing with the knobs in the printer, or also enabling different applications by playing with the agents, by playing thermally, even by changing the parameters of the printing in different layers of the job. They are able to print one job, changing the temperature, changing the irradiance or the white temperature or the temperature from the lamps from one side to the next one. Some examples with process development that we have been advising our customers and helping them understand is that by changing the layer thickness or by changing the speed of the carriage or the recoater, they can increase the speed of the bucket, being able to reduce the total time of printing and therefore reducing their hardware and their services costs, which are the fixed costs that you pay, and you get lower cost by printing more and more buckets with the same configuration. It is our objective to reduce the cost per part of our customers. And for that, one of the solutions that we offer to our customers is, depending on how they are working with different sheets of production, the ability or the possibility to use automation in their systems can reduce the cost per labor, helping them have a reduced cost per part by using automation with their solution. It is our mission to reduce the cost per part for our customers and to help them grow in the smartest way possible. We have been doing this for 10 years and we are going to keep doing this for the next years to come. So stay tuned, because we are going to be offering you more solutions to reduce your costs, to grow faster and to grow smarter.